My rambutan farming experiment began in 2008 when I took the courage to cut down rubber trees in 4 acres of my land and planted rambutan plants. Actually, I had no idea where I'll land up. And this is the first rambutan farm of its kind in the country, and there was no one to guide me on the best practices in farming. Looking back, it is an exciting experience. The trees gave fruits from the third year onwards, and by the time we reached the seventh year, the farm underwent many radical experiments. And this year we struck gold. This year we have got a record harvest of 12 tons from these 4 acres. That means we harvested fruits of a value of 16 lakhs from this land of 4 acres. And one of the biggest learnings for me from this experience is that the realization that the rambutan is the most profitable crop for our Kerala farmers. Not only because actually we have the best of soil and climate suitable for rambutan, but also for the reason that the market in Kerala and the prices that the market would willing to give is most conducive for our rambutan farming. Actually, rambutan is the only premium fruit in Kerala that gives a price of up to 250 rupees per kilo. And this price is more than many of the imported fruits that come to Kerala. And as we all know, especially Kerala has a very high per capita consumption in fruits and a ready market with high purchasing power. There is also a big export opportunity for rambutan as the prices in Middle East is more than 400 rupees per kilo. And I belong to a planter's family, and I have done rubber, cocoa, tea, pepper and many other crops so far. And now with this experiment I am convinced that rambutan will give more income than any other crop in the tropical Kerala regions. Of course, we need to select the best high-yielding variety, and I have chosen the N18 variety of rambutan, which so far from my experience is the best in terms of yield. Rambutan trees are easy to manage. It has a natural globe kind of shape and it grows up to 12 to 15 feet height. The branches would almost touch the ground and fruits grow all around, 360 degree all around the tree. As the height is not much and we can you can easily cover the trees with protective fishing nets during the harvest period so that we can save the fruits from the birds and other pests. Actually, harvesting rambutan is also not that difficult. Actually, we use cut and hold harvesting tools, and these tools would ensure that we keep the bunch of the fruits intact. Actually, when we present the fruits in the market in a bunch form, it increases the shelf life and also gives a very beautiful experience to the buyer. The red color of the fruit is very attractive and it is something very unique also. And the harvest is only once in a year, so the care and attention to be given to the trees are not much. One of the biggest advantage of rambutan is that the fruits do not drop off even if they are fully ripened. Actually, that helps all the farmers to plan the harvest in such a manner that we could realize the best prices in the market. We can delay the harvest even by a few days or even a couple of weeks so that we can really extract the best price available in the market. Another superior benefit of rambutan is that, unlike all other fruits, rambutan farming can afford organic practices so that we don't have to use chemicals, pesticides, insecticides or fungicides of any kind to manage the crop. That makes rambutan the most safe and healthy fruit grown in India. And for the farmer, the earnings can be from say 2 lakh rupees per acre, can go up to even 3 lakh rupees per acre. But I would try to say that now we can expect an average of 100 kilogram per tree from about 30 trees in 1 acre. And that means the income can be about 2 lakh rupees per acre, and which is a very good income for a farmer in our country. Of course, even going by the value of rambutan tree in terms of its healthy lifespan, that is more than 100 years. And the proven consistency in year-on-year crop. Actually, I would love to see a few trees in every home in our tropical regions of India.